You want to find the spectrum of a bursted signal, but the burst is coming and going faster than your spectrum analyzer can sweep. What to do? Well, you use gated sweep. So let's activate it here, and let's go into setup. Now in gated sweep we have a frequency versus amplitude view, but also a time versus amplitude view. And the time versus amplitude is like an oscilloscope trace, and we can trigger on it. So let's do that. Okay, default settings worked. Lovely. Now now we get to define a delay and a width. These will define a little window, and you can see a little orange window there. Let me crank it down a little bit. We're going to want to capture the feature that we want to visualize inside this little window, and then we turn gated sweep on. Now we can move the window around. Here, let's back it away from the rising edge of the packet, and there we go. We can see the spectrum of the first half of that packet. And now let's move the window over the second half of that packet, and we can see that the spectrum changes, and that's because we're looking at the difference between training phase and the data phase. Very cool. And if we move the gate window between packets, we can see that the spectrum of the packet disappears, and we only see the carrier feed through. That's all. A quick tutorial on gated sweep. Have fun.